I can't remember the last time I could breathe properly.
My fingers danced across the keys, and they told me, "You are so talented." I wanted a legacy. They said they could give one to me. Just sign here, there, and here. I signed my life away at the age of 17. I caught a cold a day later. It's been 30 years. I'm in the machine that works in darkness behind the industry's biggest stars that insist you are so talented. I'm sick. I've been sick for a really long time. It's getting worse. It thickens in my throat. Asphyxiation. I want a legacy. I'm gonna make one myself. The plan is I'll go on my own. I'm not alone. There are thousands of us infected artists, but I'm the one who will find a cure. Resign. We're so sad to see you go. Such a waste of talent. Sign here, there, and here. It's real now. I don't know if I'll survive this. But my nose hasn't been this clear in forever.